Hello?
Who you up
That girl?
You need to get out the floor, boy. I just got no about to break my leg over. He just lay right in the floor. I be trying to step over my shoes. My belt is off. Get in your bed, boy, before you make me break my neck. Come over here and get in your bed. Just lay right in the floor. I be trying to step across you. My belt is off.
I don't know what this mess is coming out the walls. That's what it look like. I don't know if it's coming out the wall or out the ceiling. I don't know what that mess is. What that shit can call us what is. Let's be dangerous. Okay. So I just took my chance of going outside because I'm expecting some important mail today that didn't come. Sometime I'm not gonna say. I'm not gonna say. I'm gonna let God handle my situation. But anyway, um, there's a lot of energy out there, and right now I'm burning all around my stomach. And so I'm getting ready to take soap and try to clean my skin, get this stuff off my skin, and uh, put some baking soda in my water, hoping that it would uh, stop the burning because this energy is right at the door. Time you walk out the door, it's sitting right there. Now I'm seeing I put some batteries in my outside light. They are motion sensitive, and the light is going off. So something is causing it to. I don't know if it's all that stuff that's flying around out there, if it's censoring it or what. But I really got to figure out something. I got to get out of this house and get my sister out of here. Now my daughter just came home. I'm gonna show that too. Let's see if I can go back into the system. Okay, so when my daughter came home and that car pulled up, it was like she knew the person. She was backing up for them to come up in the yard. But when I asked her about it, she caught an attitude with me. I really want to get away from her. I really do because I don't. It's bad when you don't trust your child. That you aside with strangers. There's something really wrong with mentally and spiritually wrong with a person that does that. When you got family that aside with people they don't even know, and if somebody can put their name on this list and do the exact same thing to them, cause they don't care nothing about people. All they care about is money. That's all that matters to them. Making money. And whenever I want to ask her a question, I'm talking, cause all day they've been riding through here, trucks, been riding through here, going back out, and then that man attacked me with his that blue truck, and that energy is all out there. These people is getting affected by this stuff. They're getting affected by it and don't even realize it's affecting them too. And I'm seeing some type of light at the bottom of my daughter's car. Right there. I don't know. I this why I just need to be by myself. Um, if I knew I was gonna go through all this with her, I'd have never let her come stay with me. Cause she been with me 11 years, and she just been a problem. A grown woman, cause she's 40 years old, and she is like she want to impress people. Well, what is people, and who is people? I don't want to impress nobody. There's not a soul on this whole entire earth that I want to impress. Only one I want to impress is God. That I make it in. Because these people love you one minute and hate you another. I don't care nothing about trying to impress people. I'm not trying to make myself feel important to nobody. That's why when I come on here, I'm looking like I'm looking right now. I don't care about trying to always have on makeup because I'm not a person that wear makeup all the time. So what I'm gonna put it on all the time? That's not me. And so I'm not trying to impress nobody. I don't care whether people think I'm pretty or ugly. I really don't care. And I'm not trying to impress nobody. If people got money and got a good job and got a nice house, good for them. I don't have that. And I'm not trying to pretend that I do. And so, I mean, she tried to act like she's better than me, but she wouldn't have the shop that she got if it weren't for me allowing her to come stay with me and follow me wherever I go for the last 11 years. That's what I had to tell her. You don't, you, I mean, you want to impress people, but you don't have your own home. You could have did your work out of your home. You staying where I stayed. That she tried to give people the impression that I love my other daughter, and that's a lie straight out of here. I don't treat nobody no better than the other. I don't. Cause I don't feel none of them treat me right. I'm their mother. And when they fall on me. I'm there for them, but they not there for me. Just like my daughter asking me for that exercise bike because I got a new one yesterday. I told her you gonna have to give me something on it. I'm not just gonna give it to you. I had to pay for mine. Damn near I had to pay for it. I'm not just gonna give it to you. Talking about, well, you just got another one. I don't care. It still had I had to pay for one of them. And I'm not gonna just hand you one. Only reason they sent me another one cause that one won't work. I done had it for months and ain't wrote it yet. Or something was wrong with it when I got it. My daughters done had come into lump sums of money. Do you think they gave me anything? Not even a sandwich. Not even a sandwich. When I have gotten lump sum of money, I would give them money. Not a whole, cause I ain't never had a whole lot of lump sum, but at least $100. I would give them at least that, cause I ain't had like a whole lot of money, maybe $2,000 or something like that. I give them $100 or something, and then they come borrowing and borrow. I don't like talking about my daughter, but they don't treat. I don't feel they treat me right. Very selfish, and then I feel like they treat me like this because I don't have material stuff. Now I was living in a one-bedroom apartment. Both my daughters that with children came to stay with me in a one-bedroom apartment. You ain't gonna find a whole lot of mothers that'll do that. And then I got put out because I let them come stay with me. And so they went and got a place and forgot about me. So I'm trying to get to that place where I can start telling them no. Uh-uh. If you fall, that you just fall. You can't fall on me because I'm tired of struggling, trying to hold up my family. When my family are turning their back on me, I'm tired of it. I have nobody that I feel I can trust. Anybody that got my back, not one soul got my back, not one. Now my granddaughter, when she was staying with me, I felt like she had more of my back than my daughters do. And she left because of my daughters, the one who was willing to help me. And she would walk to the grocery store and catch a Uber bike. Them got a car, and I got to get strangers to get my grocery. At first, my granddaughter didn't believe what I was telling her because my daughter that's here sit up and talk about me to my granddaughter. But then she started seeing stuff, other people going through the same thing, and that's why she saw that they saying the same thing I'm saying. All of us, everybody in all over the world can't be crazy at the same exact same time going through the exact same thing. And then she done seen stuff too. So I'm just gonna get off of here. I don't know. I got a feeling I'm gonna really suffer tonight. I feel like I'm gonna really suffer tonight because I went outside and all that energy. Cause I was hoping. I got a feeling she got my mail because uh, a lot of different times important mail has gotten missing, and I know when it's supposed to come and it don't come. Then I really think she be taking it, and because she did take something out of that mailbox, but she claims she didn't. But she gonna answer to God. I done told her, you gonna answer to God the way you treat me. You gonna answer to God, and you gonna regret it, because God not gonna allow us to pray for them. When His wrath come on them, we're not gonna be able to pray for them, because then we'll be getting in God's way. So God is trying to make them regret what they doing and repent and turn away from their sins or either die. Now that's what the prophet said, and I believe it. I don't wish nothing bad when you wishing something bad on me. I'm not gonna wish nothing bad on you, but I'm just telling you what's gonna happen. What's gonna happen if you don't change your ways. But I know one thing: I got to get things paid up and quit buying. That's what I so I can get up out of here. I don't want to leave my sister behind, but there really nothing I can do for her but do what I'm doing now, keeping her clean, washed up, clean and fed. But I got to think about my own self. I got to worry about me. But one thing I know, if it was the other shoe, if it was me and her having to make a decision to take care of me, that would never happen. That would never happen. When I was sick in the hospital, she didn't even visit me. Didn't even visit me. But see, I don't hold grudges. I don't hold things like that against people. I do. I'm doing what I feel that a sister should do. But it's getting to be too much. It's too much, because she's still laying there fighting and hollering and screaming. It's just too much on my nerves and my anxiety. And then these people got me in pain. They just messing up my back and stuff. And I don't want to throw her away, because that's what I feel like I'll be doing. That's what I feel like the family has done, you know. But it's just too much. She just cuts up so bad. And I know I'm not hurting her. I could just take her diaper loose and she just start hollering. And I know that ain't hurting her. She just starts screaming and hollering just because she know I'm touching her. I'm really not touching her. I'm touching the diaper that's on her. Or take her shoe off her foot. She'll start hollering and screaming. You know, this is too much. It's a bit too much too. And I just don't. I'm just tired. Tired, tired, tired. I'm gonna take me a soak my back. I do have some alcohol in there. Go get me a bottle of alcohol and pour it in my water and just sit there and soak, and hoping that it helps my back, because my back is really hurting. So I'm going to close out now.